Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to build the best PC for gaming. Are you ready to level up your gaming experience? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of building the best PC for gaming. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned tech enthusiast, I've got the steps to guide you through. Buckle up and let's create a gaming powerhouse together. Let's see the key components to build the best PC for gaming. Motherboard. Choose a motherboard with the right socket type and ports. Consider LGA 1700 for Intel or AM5 for AMD. Processor, CPU. Select a CPU that matches your gaming needs. Remember, it's the brain of your PC. Graphics card, GPU. Invest in a powerful GPU for smooth gaming. It's the key to handling visual data efficiently. Storage. Option for M.2 SSDs like Samsung 980 Pro for speedy and efficient storage. Storage is your PC's walk-in closet. Memory, RAM. Choose RAM based on your tasks. Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB is great for gaming and everyday tasks. Power supply, PSU. Ensure a steady power flow with a reliable PSU. Always choose one with a little extra power. Case and cooler. Your PC's home matters. Match your case with the motherboard size. Consider Corsair Obsidian for a sturdy build. Operating system. Don't forget the OS. Remember, Windows is not automatically included. Get a license for a seamless experience. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.